Morning guys, it's March the 8th, I'm Henry Green from London Trading Group and I'm just going to run through what we're looking for in the markets this morning. Okay, so start with euro dollar. Again, quite a good day for this yesterday. Low test of 109.40 has then rebounded and we've come all the way back up again and we're testing 110.25. Based on the candles, it looks like it could quite easily go on test 111.20. However, it doesn't really fit in with this current fib cycle. We've kind of pulled back to the 76.4 in between the 38 and the 76.4, and then that leads us back up towards those highs. So we could see it now break through. 110.25 is a big level for me. I've got that as quite a lot of resistance. Market doesn't seem to like it when it gets up there. So through 110.25, I think then you can go and take on 111.20. But until that level's broken, I'm certainly not going to be buying this until we get a nice bullish close through sort of 110.25. I think that's the next key level up. And one that I'm going to be looking for. We're basically bang on it at the moment, so just be careful of that. I think you probably are going to get an influx of sellers somewhere around here at the moment, so just be careful. But certainly between 111.20 would probably be my target on the top side. Maybe take some out at 111.10 and maybe the figure. So just be careful of that one. But certainly it looks like the euro could pop through and we could see this take trade up to 111. Obviously be wary of Thursday. Don't be holding anything over Thursday. With Mario Draghi speaking, he can say literally anything he wants. Anyone can try and have a guess at what he wants to say and how the market will react, so just be wary of that. Okay, cable. So cable again had another good day yesterday. We've broken through 142.40, nice bullish close through that. And I do see this now trading to at least 143.40. So how are we going to get there? Well, we could either have a quick move here, which it looks like it wants to do. You get a quick move here and we then rally all the way up to the 127, which could be a really good trade. So if we do hold here, the move will be quick all the way up to the 127, which lines perfectly up with that 143.30, and then we could be looking to fade that. So there's that idea that if we get there, we could then roll over, or we could pull back deeper and test this moving average that I've got down here, which is the, let me just get you this up. Which one is it? It's the 105 moving average on the hour, so we could go down and test that one. If we do pull back and test that, then again the target remains 143.30. But at the moment, nice bullish close through the level yesterday, and I think that this could quite easily trade up to 143.30 and fairly quickly. So right, that's that one. Dollar yen looks like it just wants to roll over. So yen, potentially yen strength today as well. We are down at support 113 area. We have hit the D on the bottom side, so we could now pull back. We've pull back to 38, so this could now roll straight over and hit 112.30, 112.40 quite quickly. I think that's probably my first target, and then moving through that 111.30 is my lower level. So I don't expect it to get there straight away, but if we do get that pullback, let's see where those fibs take us. So the fibs take us all the way down to 111 or 110.90. So maybe we need two fib swings down for that one. Cable's just on a bit of a rally at the moment. So yeah, maybe we need two fib swings down for that one, but certainly 111.30 is my next level lower. We have rejected off those somewhere around there that the market hasn't liked in the past. So be wary of 111.30 and that kind of zone. So that's my plan for dollar yen. Dollar CAD's been moving really nicely, as I said. I think that this one you could quite easily have just sold it through this past market angle. Every time it's broken, you just sold it. And 130, 190 is still my target for this one. I think it does get there. I think it must get there because that's a 38 pullback of the move, of the upwards move, and it's the D on the bottom side, and I've got a good level of support down there. So I think 31.90 hits inevitable. 5-minute high on this one, so I'll just show you what I'm probably looking for this. So I'm just looking for any reason to get into this one. So maybe a 5-minute lower high here. So if we just change this to a 5, you can just wait for a 5-minute lower high and sell through the low. So if we make a lower high here, a sell through 133.20 with a stop above 133, sort of 35. You're looking for and then give it some room. You're looking for a really big risk to reward for that one, all the way down to 130, 190. So you could squeeze a really good risk to reward trade out of that one should it hold there. Just be careful though. Obviously, this 132.70 is a good level of support, so be wary that it just doesn't. Make sure that it doesn't bounce here, and then we have a bit more of a pullback before it continues. So what you could get, you could get a rally now back up to sort of test this 8 EMA on the day, which has been holding really nicely. So just be wary that that could happen, and obviously you don't want to be whipped up in that one. That could lead us back up to, as I said, 134 area. So just be careful. Aussie's a breakout market, so we're just looking to buy this. We had a fast move, no pullback, hit the 127, and we have started to pull back now. So the high probability chances that we pull back to 73.85 or 73.80 area. And then go higher. on the day that would make sense as well. So if we do pull back there and then maybe bounce, so maybe I'd be looking to buy this around 73.80. However, this moving average is holding really nicely at the moment. So this is the 50, yeah. So the 50 moving average is holding really nicely at the moment. So we could see that bounce off that and then trade higher off that pullback once that's completed. So maybe we see that, maybe we even pull back to this moving average down here, which I've got in 180. So maybe we pull back to that as well. But overall, my picture and my view is that this goes higher, and 75.80 looks like a good target. I actually had a really good target on my weekly, so let me just tell you what that is before I continue on. So I think that the target on the weekly chart looks like it could get up to 76. So yeah, that makes sense. 76 is probably quite a good target. Leaves you strapped to that 118, the 127 zone before maybe your rejection. So maybe this is a fast move and it does the 118, 127 before pulling back. One that I'm certainly looking for. Okay, the Kiwi again. Nice push up yesterday, and if we round off here before taking these lows out, so before we make a new low, this could then rally higher as well. Quite a good day yesterday, I believe. Yeah, no, indecision day. Yeah, indecision day. Nothing too powerful about that. However, we did close bang at support at my level of 67.90, so we could now rally 68.50 is my next level up, and one that it looks like it could quite easily hit. Should we hold here and potentially bounce higher? So it sold off a little overnight. It seems like there was commodity weakness overnight. And as such, it's we've kind of off a little bit, but if it holds here and rounds off and we take out the highs, so if we go back up through 68.10, I think a move up to 68.50 is pretty straightforward. Yes, one that I'm certainly looking for. Euro sterling looks like a short. I still like this short. It looks heavy, and I think that this could just continue on. We're just kind of going sideways at the moment, but I think if you get this retest of this level and certainly through 77.15, I think this then will trade significantly lower. I've got a big old gap down to 76, and my FIBD is down at 76.10. So maybe in a couple of days we could be down there, and one that again I'm looking for. So I'm just going to change this to that. So yeah, I think Euro sterling could quite easily trade down to 76, or one that I'm going to play as well. So that's a quick roundup, guys. I hope that's been useful. As I said, click subscribe to never miss a trading video again, and I'll be back tomorrow. Sorry for the delay. Thanks very much.